It has been a long 6 months away from Bird Eats, and I deeply regret not uploading. I don't know what happened, I just saw a lack of inspiration and creativity. But for season 2, we got some good stuff coming for you. Now, today we were originally planning vinegar, but I just realized I'm not going to drink vinegar in front of a camera because that'd be stupid. So instead, in lovely commemoration with the snowy weather, I have your nice and friendly bowl of snow. But as you see, the snow may be a little bland. So I decided, no, it's not in there. We're going to top this off. Some good old, very expensive maple syrup.
I gotta zoom in on that.
Oh, yeah, that's some good stuff right there, buddy. I just drained the bottle. This stuff is not cheap. So I'm going to enjoy this. If I die from sugar poisoning.
Go in a bit.
Don't zoom in, just leave this in full wide frame, buddy. You know why?
Now it's full.
Because this is Bird Eats, and on Bird Eats, we chug it. It's so sugary. More. It's so cold. Okay. Oh, this isn't too pretty food.